Kaduri Farm's Aquilaria trees are under intense pressure from poachers. This is a huge challenge. Somehow, the trees have to be protected around the clock. Ribbons bear friendly messages from KFBG staff to the poachers, asking them to leave the trees alone for the poachers' own good fortune. Keeping them out is impossible, but the Flora Conservation team have come up with a clever yet simple solution to the problem. They protect each tree with a steel mesh cage, a last-ditch solution in a desperate situation. Kaduri Farm has many Aquilaria trees, and caging is part of an ongoing program.